Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm here at Apex 2016 and I'm joined by David Bergman from IPC. David, great to see you. We know you for the international relations for IPC, see you in China and Europe, but you've just opened an office in Europe and there are some developments there. Tell me about that.
It's very exciting. We have a lot of members, over 550, maybe almost 600 members now, and we wanted to bring additional staff support. So we're just recently announced our opening of our Brussels office. We have 3 staff members that are working for us there. They supplement the staff members that we've had for some time. I'm sure you know Lars, who's been with us for many years, and Yuri's in Russia. And so, in addition to having staff which can help us with events and membership support, we're going to have a government relations efforts, and so we've engaged a partner there that will be looking at a list of topics. I mean, there's many topics you can always go after and follow, but we're going to narrow down to the ones that are applicable to the IPC members. So that's an exciting new addition. As well, because of the we published our most recent European-led standard was an addendum for the automotive industry for our printed circuit board standard. This was European-led. The chair was from Almatica in Norway, and we had many of the automotive electronics companies involved, and so we have a new standard there, and that drew in Continental Electronics or Continental, and they were participating in that committee. Asked us a lot more questions about IPC programs and plans, and they agreed to have one of their senior staff be on IPC Board of Directors, which he was just elected this week. And didn't stop there. They saw that benefit, and we started talking about creating a new standard, again, European-driven, on press-fit pin boards. And this is something I've actually tried to. We have some really old standards in this technology, and I couldn't get the U.S. guys interested in it. So as soon as I heard that, I said, "Oh, I've been trying to do this for years." So highly welcome, and so that's very exciting. So with all of this standards activity being driven, or interest being driven in Europe, we hired a staff member to be part of the technical staff, the standards staff, and so we have a standards manager works out of his office in Estonia, and he will cover European standards, and we'll see how that goes.
So an increasing footprint in Europe. And you mentioned that the staff would be able to help with events. What events do you have planned for this year in Europe?
Well, so we have for SMT Nuremberg, we have here this hand soldering competition. We teamed up with Bob Willis to do a rework competition there, which is the first time there. So we have a big footprint at SMT Nuremberg, which is exciting. The next month in Düsseldorf, we're going to have a reliability conference, and more to come. We're talking about a GR type event, and I don't know if they've set the date yet, probably in the third quarter. Talk about government relations issues. So we have our impact event here in DC, we'll try and do something similar there. So we have of course you want to get a group of the industry together, so you're listening to the voice of the customer. We have a European Council that is being put together. They'll probably meet telephonically in the next couple weeks and see if we get a face-to-face meeting, and we hope they will be giving us a lot of feedback to help give some direction to how IPC should best serve.
Yeah, and it's a growing team there, so exciting times. Fantastic. Well, David, thanks for stopping by to chat, and good luck with those projects in Europe, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you.
Good to see you.